Kite Hawk in Warrior 2. Step the left foot forward, right foot back, aligning front foot with center of back foot. Lift and spread all the toes. Get very rooted through the feet, and then bring the arms out to the sides. Inhale a massive breath into chest. Feel collarbone roll up towards chin, and then rotate shoulder blades down the back. Rotate arms, rotate hands, expand chest. Exhale, lift the blades off the back, rotate them forward. Rotate arms forward, hands forward, and chin tucks. Inhale, blades move by collarbone rolling up and blades sliding down the back through muscle, through fascia. Rotate arms, rotate hands. And then as you exhale, blades lift any amount off the back, rotate arms, chin tucks, rotate hands. Do this with your own breath pace. So find what is your natural rhythm for this movement. Maybe staying for an extra moment with the arms open, collarbone up. Maybe staying for an extra moment with the shoulders rolled forward, broadening the upper back. Notice if one shoulder blade has more freedom than the other. Is it able to move more? Just notice it as an outside observer. The more often that you do this pose, the easier it gets, just like anything else. So I encourage you to do it often, maybe every day, especially if you work on a computer or work with your arms. To come out of the pose, heel toe, feet together, stand up tall. And then feel for any new mobility that the shoulders have. Just explore if there's more fluidity there. Breathe into that. And then do second side, right foot forward. And do 3 to 5 rounds. Kite Hawk.